Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about 5 must-read books for real estate agents. Some of these are directly tied to real estate and others are just talking about sales and how to connect with people, which, as you know, is an important part of this business. I'll have all of the links down below for these on Amazon if you want to go grab a copy for yourself. Also, guys, thank you for all the support on this channel. We went from 450 subscribers to 600 in just like 5 days, right? So my goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the month, which I really think we can do. So just subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the first book. All right, so this first book is called Kiss, Bow, or Shake Hands. And as real estate agents, we meet all different kinds of people. And this book goes through the major countries and talks about their cultural differences and how to greet them, how to negotiate with them, when it's appropriate to give gifts, what kind of gifts to actually give them. So this is great for real estate agents. And if you can understand how to connect with people from all different cultural backgrounds, this will put you way ahead of other realtors. Alright, so this second book is called The Color of Law. I know there's a lot of people of color that watch my YouTube videos, and this can really relate to you. This book is all about how federal, state, and local regulations used to segregate neighborhoods based on redlining, which, if you don't know, is the illegal practice of refusing to lend to a certain demographic. So in turn, a lot of minorities were left without a way to actually build generational wealth with real estate, which is one of the #1 ways to build wealth. So now, a few decades later, there's such a huge wealth gap between the people that were given the chance to actually build wealth with real estate and the people that weren't. All right, number 3 is called Sell It Like Serhant. And if you watch $1 Million Listing or pretty much any real estate, agent kind of show, Ryan Serhant. He's one of the top agents in the world. He's on the show called $1 Million Listing. He went from being a hand model to starting real estate in 2008 during a recession to now being one of the top agents in the world. And this book is all about how to become the ultimate sales machine. All right, number 4 is called How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you had to pick one book out of any of these 5 that I'm sharing with you today, this would be the book, right? Real estate is a game where you have to really learn how to connect with people. And this book teaches you all about how to communicate with people effectively, how to build rapport with them, and have them see you as a professional in your field and as somebody who's kind and caring, and it'll make you seem like the obvious choice if they ever want to hire an agent. All right, so book number 5 is called Never Split the Difference. This book is all about negotiation. The author that wrote this book was a former FBI international hostage negotiator. So he knows everything about negotiating. He knows all the tactics, and he talks about how to negotiate everything from buying a car to selling your house. And as real estate agents, we're always negotiating on behalf of our clients, so this book is priceless. So I don't want to make this video too long. I've got some more books linked down below that I'd like, but I just didn't want to make the video too long. So I've got all the Amazon links for everything down below if you want to go grab a copy for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.